Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me. And if you did, go thumbs up. Hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to my channel. Also, do me a favor. Hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you will be notified about it. But this was filmed on Wednesday, August the 26th, 2026. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. National. And this train video's over. Have a good one. Thanks for watching.